Oh my god! Oh my god, kill me now! That looks so good!
Boom! I'm here today. Cut. What did I say? What was this thing I told you I'm going to say? Hello, viewers. Today I am alone without any guests. I guess you might have noticed by now. Unlike my earlier videos where I had guests and doing chit chatting with them and talking about their experiences and my experiences and recipes. But in this episode, you're going to see me in a new avatar cooking interesting recipes for you guys on this channel. Today I'm going to do a very interesting recipe and most controversial recipe, that is chicken 65. I'm sure everybody must be having their own versions of what chicken 65, where it originated, how it originated, why it originated, but I'm not going to go into any of those controversial topics. But I'm going to give you one simple story, which is the most important thing happened in the history of India. Everybody knows there's a restaurant called Buhari's in Chennai. Here is where this chicken 65 originated. Today I'm going to do my version and my take on the simple chicken 65 starter. So let's begin how we're going to do it. So the first step in making this chicken 65 is marinating the chicken. So I am taking approximately 200 grams of chicken, boneless chicken. That's your choice. If you want to have bone also you can, but I prefer to have boneless. So I'm adding 200 grams of boneless chicken. Into this goes my favorite ingredients. The first one is the chili powder. So approximately 1 spoon I'm taking of this, less than a spoon of salt, a little bit of pepper powder, a little bit of color. Hold on. Do not use any kind of food grade colors. I avoid it. So minus, why do you need color? You need the taste. You don't need colors to impress you to eat. So avoid colors as much as possible. This is the best. Use the Degi Mirch or the regular chili powder color. That itself is good enough to give you that little reddish color. So now I'm adding a bit of vinegar to it. And here goes yogurt. Absolutely sour yogurt, 2 spoons. And now we do a good mix of all the ingredients and set it for about an hour. I'm using my hands. These are absolutely washed and sanitized. Now we have already done with initial marinade. So it's already set for about 45 minutes. Now I'm going to add corn flour. Take a little bit of corn flour into it. Corn flour basically we use as a binding agent and to give you that crispy texture. A spoon of rice flour. This gives you the crunchy texture to it. And here comes my secret ingredient, which I'm sure many people are not aware, is I use a pinch of baking powder to make your chicken more tender and juicy. So now I'm going to mix this, adding a dash of lemon. No, strictly no yellow lemons. Take nice green, semi-green lemons. These are more sharp and these give you more tangy flavor. They are more sour, and gentle squeeze of 1 lemon, perfect.
Yellow, dirty fellow.
So yeah, I would want to tell you why yellow, why you should not use the yellow. Yellows are the ripened ones and these give you a bitter sour. I'm sure you wouldn't want to have that bitterness in your gravy or in your marinade or in any of your dishes. So I gave one gentle mix and I'm going to rest this for about another 15 minutes. So overall, we are going to rest this chicken for about an hour and then it is ready to go for deep frying. So to check whether your oil is hot enough, my simple technique is take your regular curry leaf and dip into it. Boom, you can see it. It's absolutely hot and it's ready to go. So here are my chicken pieces, marinated chicken pieces. beautiful pieces now are going into the frying pan. Now that our chicken cubes are nicely fried and in crispy texture, ready to go into our final preparation. So a dash of oil, not much of it. So into it goes garlic, nicely chopped garlic. I use generous amount of garlic in it because I love the garlic flavor. Nicely slit chilies. Again, this depends on you. If you like to have slightly more spicier, you can add more chilies, which I do. So I have added a good amount of chilies to it. And the most important ingredient, that is the curry leaves. You remember I have plucked few of them, fried in the, look at that sound. Ooh, they go into it. And now gently fry the garlic and the chilies till they turn into the golden brown color. You can smell it. It's so beautiful. The chilies and the garlic, when they come together, will give you an amazing aroma to it, and of course taste too. So in goes my next set of ingredients. A dash of salt. Of course you can adjust it at the end. A little bit of soya sauce. Keep the flame on sim. A little bit of vinegar, and the last ingredient, pepper, goes into it, and nicely give it a gentle fry. Let me increase the flame. Now the chicken pieces are going into it. Oh my goodness, look at the aroma. It is actually killing me right now. Want me to jump into the plate and have these pieces. This is my take on chicken 65, one of the most favorite chicken starter that you would find in any corner of this country. So watch out next week. I'm going to come up with a Bundy style fried rice. That is finger looking good. ले ले बेटा.
Oh my god, it tastes amazing.